Hello everyone. We are moving on to the automatic street light system. Before we have used IR sensors, now we are going to use light sensors. Yes. What is a light? Actually, what is a light sensor? I'm sorry. So light sensors, okay, these are the sensor which senses the amount of light falling on it. Right? Next one, we are going on to the LDR. What is LDR? Have you ever heard of the word LDR? So LDR is light dependent resistor. So resistance value will change depending on the amount of light falling on the sensor. Okay, that is the main point. And another main point is, if more amount of light is falling, if it is going to sense more amount of light, far later, then it will have less resistance. Okay. Moving on to the number of terminals. Terminals, it has 3, okay. First one is your 5 volt. Second is your ground and output. Right. Here also it is the same way. 5 volt means 5 voltage it should need for sure. So that is your positive. GND means ground, that is your negative. OP is the output. So this is about your theory class. Now we will move on to the practical session. But before moving into the practical session, we need to move on to the module diagram to understand the practical session very easily. Yes. So this will be your order of the light sensor. First will be your output, 5. So first will be your, I have already explained this. First will be your output, then your 5 volt and the ground. Now, first thing what you should do is, take the 5 volt, which is the positive I have already told. Connect it to the positive of your power supply board. Yes? Now, take your GND, this is your ground. Jumper line. Yes. Right? So it should be straight, okay. Everyone it should be straight for sure. Now, take the output of your light sensor and connect it to the which terminal? Negative terminal, okay. Then finally, take your positive terminal, connect it to the power supply board's positive terminal. So this is your module diagram, and the circuit symbol of light sensor is something like this, and should be circled like this neatly. The distance must be same. I have not drawn very well. Okay. Now we'll move to the practical session. Now take your LED light sensor power supply board and fix it on your maker board. Now take a connecting wire from your wire set. First what you should do, take your ground, which is your negative terminal of your light sensor. First loosen it every time. Loosening is your to your left side. Now fix it. Then the ground wire, whichever is kept, will move on to the negative terminal of your power supply board. Then afterwards you should take one more wire and connect it to the 5 volts, which is your positive terminal. That one should be connected to the positive of the power supply board. Next, your output of the light sensor will be connected to the negative terminal of the LED. And finally, the positive terminal of your LED will be connected to the positive of your power supply board. Yes, your connections are done. Now let's check it. Take your battery, connect it. Take your battery and connect it. I'm keeping it here. Then connect it to your power supply board. Therefore, you can see your light power LEDs here. They are glowing because this battery has some charge. Now, here some light is there. Now I have on the lights in my room, right? So that's why this is not glowing. If I cover this with my hand or a finger, what happens is that it just glows. This LED will glow. Now, in case if I put like this, it is still glowing because here some light is there, so it takes reflection. Here it is showing light, so this light should not fall on this. Any light, if it is not falling, then the LED will glow. Now I have off all the lights and I have closed the curtains, so it felt it is night and it on automatically. So this is your automatic street light system. In case if I connect the output of the light sensor to the positive terminal of the LED, what happens? Let's experiment it. Now I'm taking the output of the light sensor and connecting it to the positive terminal of the LED, and I'm tightening it. Then afterwards, what I should do is take another one, put it inside the negative terminal of the LED, tighten it, and this one is our negative, right? It will go to the negative terminal of the power supply board. Now it's time for experimenting. Now connect your battery, then connect it to the power supply board. This LED is glowing. It's just the opposite of what I have done before. So what happens is, when we on the lights, that will glow. When we off when we off the lights, what will happen? We'll check now. Now I have offed all the lights in my room and closed the curtains. So now you can see that the bulb is not glowing. So which we don't want. So whichever we did, and I have shown you the Maldive diagram, that was the correct one. This is just the opposite. Hope you all enjoyed it. Do try it. If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Thanks for watching.